show you rolling?
I don't know, Howie. Are you sure this is such a good idea?
As sure as I was when I started performing my own dental work.
Rolling.
Welcome, everyone, to Howie's horrendously hazardous stunt school video. I will now demonstrate how to jump a moving golf cart on a pogo stick.
Take two.
Remember, Duck, not till I'm ready this time, okay, bud? I will now show you how to golf cart jump a moving pogo stick. Ready, Duck? Cut.
Take three.
Video school stunt, golf jump cart, pogo time. Ready, Duck? Duck, can you fix it? Ew, diaper! Yay, gum! You get all that, buddy?
You bet. It's probably still okay. Or not.